Under the beach?
Not yet. All the dust up there. You got mold in the picture frame. Dust on top of the TV stand. I don't know what that stuff is. All over here. Rust on the refrigerator itself. This is the bathroom area right here. See, all of that is really gross. The sink itself, really gross. And then the bathroom. This is in the shower. All of that. That is the shower head. And I'm supposed to take a shower with that. And then you have mold in the shower. All up there. Really nasty. Separation in the wall there. Back behind the toilet. The corners of the bathroom are filthy. They didn't dust anywhere, and this is after the maid service has already come through the room. You can see all the dust. It's really nasty. Like, they don't care. You can see the black mold on the vents. My husband's allergies have been horrible while we've been in here. You can see that the door handle itself gets stuck against the mirror that they hung on the door. It's just really bad. This is where we're supposed to be staying to celebrate our anniversary.
Yeah, there's an upgraded superior room.
Yeah, we paid for an upgraded superior room, and we got crap. They have electrical things just hanging. Dust all under there. Like I said, this is after the maid service has already come.